application here called iDrama, and I'm showing you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. The home screen of the application, and you pretty much can scroll and look for what you want. There's a lot of drama series which you can find on this application here. You can also at the top here where you see all the categories as it relates to these drama series. As you can see, quite a lot of them. So in the news section, you have trending, which you can see what other people are watching, and you can also go at the top here and search for what you want. So it also depends on what you want, guys. So that's really pretty much it. So here, if I do select one of these movies here, I won't be able to show you guys, so I won't go through that process. But once you have selected any one of these movies that you want to watch, we'll just show you the first episode of the movie, and then you can select which episode you want. And most of these episodes, you're gonna need coins, or you're gonna need a subscription to unlock these episodes. So if I tap on the top here where it says VIP, is where you pretty much go and get your subscription. As you can see here, get everything unlocked, all episodes unlocked, all the VIP content unlocked. And as well, as you can see here, they only offer a weekly subscription and a yearly subscription. So if you don't want a subscription, you may need some coins to unlock a few episodes. So the episodes cost around 30 coins to 100 coins. I'm not really sure, but I think that's the amount for these coins on this application here. So if I tap on the gift box icon here, I can go in the reward section. This here will pretty much give me free coins as it relates to this application here. So once I've logged in, as you can see here, I have the logged in option. Once I'm logged in every day, I'll be able to get coins as well. And down here, enabling a few features will get me coins as well. And also watching the ads will get me coins. So you'll be able to get free coins, so you can use these coins to unlock a few episodes. So in the VIP coins option here, as you can see here, you do get free trial option where you get 1,000 points worth of cases get to use on your apps. So to unlock your episodes, so most of these episodes, if not all of them, you're going to need some of the episodes you're going to need to unlock. So we'll keep that in mind. So the profile section here will show you how much coins you have and how much bonus coins. So bonus coins and bonus coins are too different. You can tap on the top up option to go ahead and top up your coins. As you can see here, they do offer a weekly subscription and yearly subscription, and down here you see how much for coins as it relates to you getting coins. So very easy application to use, and we'll show you all the movies that the drama series that you have watched on the application down here. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Very easy to use, and if I missed anything at all or something that you do not understand, please comment below. I would love to help you out. See you in the next one.